Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see adverbs. Hola Miri learners, bienvenidos a este nuevo video. Yo soy Miriam y hoy vamos a ver los adverbios. Let's start. Very easy and short explanation. Normally you add ly to the adjective. Normalmente vamos a añadir ly al adjetivo. For example, slow, the adjective, is slowly the adverb. So we add ly. If the adjective ends in y, we change y to I. Si el adjetivo termina en y, cambiamos y por i latina. Entonces terminaría en ily. It will end in ily. Example: happy ends in y. The adverb is happily. If the adjective ends in able or le, we are going to change e for y. Si el adjetivo termina en able or le, cambiamos la e por y. Example: terrible, we are going to change the e for y. Terribly. If the adjective ends in ic, we are going to add ly, except public, that is publicly. Si el adjetivo termina en ic, vamos a añadir ly, excepto si es el adjetivo public, que el adverbio es publicly. Example: basic ends in ic, we add ly, basically. Some adjectives are also adverbs. Late, near, straight, wrong, early, fast, hard, high. Algunos adjetivos también son adverbios, como estos que os señalo aquí. Here you have the exercises, and you have to choose the correct option. The exercise continues here and here. I will give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.